When you receive your wireless plug kit, the switch and plug receiver will come pre-paired and ready to be installed. The box will contain a switch, a back plate, a face plate, a screw kit with screws and command strips, and the wall plug receiver. Assemble by placing the switch into the back plate and securing with the short screws. Place faceplate on top and push down into place. Test to make sure the wall plug turns on using the power button and using the switch. Plug in your appliance and enjoy.